Wow, it looks simple but tricky. According to you, what do you think is the correct response or the answer to this expression once simplified? So we are going to have a step-by-step breakdown of how we can get the correct answer to this question. And the correct answer is not 1, as we are going to see. Hello, this is MATHL.J and welcome. Thanks for watching. And if you're on this channel, kindly subscribe to it for more videos of mathematics. Let's now jump into the video. So in here we have the 5 being divided by 5, divided by 5, and still divided by 5. And we are asking ourselves what is a correct answer to this question. One can begin by doing it like this. You get 5 divided by 5, and then you get 1. Then this division symbol, first leave it. Then we get this 5 being divided by 5 to give us a 1. So we divide 1 by 1, then we should get a 1. But guess what? This answer is completely wrong. So what is the correct response to this question? We are going to have a step-by-step breakdown of this expression correctly. So we have the 5 being divided by the 5, divided by another 5, and still divided by 5. So in here, we follow the order. This is what I mean. We are going to move from the left-hand side towards the right-hand side of this expression. What does it mean? It means that we have now this 5, and this is a division symbol. If we change it to multiplication symbol, then we have to get the reciprocal of 5. And the reciprocal of 5 is simply the same as 1 out of 5. So in here we have 1 divided by the 5. Then this is also division symbol. We change it to multiplication and still get the reciprocal of 5, which is the same as 1 divided by the 5. We do the same. We change the division symbol to multiplication symbol and we get the reciprocal of 5, which is the same as 1 divided by the 5. Then our next step, we can see that this by 5 we get 1, then by 5 we shall get a 1. And the next step, we are going to have 1 multiplied by 1 to give us a 1, but multiplied, we on this multiplication symbol, multiplied by 1 divided by 5, again multiplied by 1 divided by 5. So in here we have the denominator 1. So 1 multiplied by 1. So in here we have 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 as the numerators. Then divided by the denominators, you have 1 multiplied by the 5 and multiplied by 5. So the numerator we have a 1 divided by 1 multiplied by 5 is the 5. Then multiplied by this another 5. So in here we have our response as 1 divided by 5 multiplied by 5, that is 25. And what does it mean? It means that our expression 5 being divided by 5, divided by 5, and still divided by 5 equals to 1 divided by the 25. Or this is the same as 0.04. So this one becomes our correct response for this expression, but not 1. And thanks for watching. Endeavor to subscribe for more videos of mathematics. See you again next time. Goodbye.